What you're about to see is a simulated demo of ThreatHarvest using a fictional law firm. The data and activities shown here are not real. They're designed to illustrate how ThreatHarvest works. When Summit Ridge Law logs into ThreatHarvest, this is what they're immediately shown: a real-time snapshot of their external risk. 4 unreviewed findings, a maximum threat priority score of 10, and clear signs of new activity. This tells them right away that something urgent needs attention. To understand what's behind that risk, we move into the findings. And this is where the story begins. Nearly 2 months ago, one of Summit Ridge Law's vendors disclosed a security incident. At the time, it may have looked isolated, but this was the first external warning that downstream risk was quietly forming. Weeks later, ThreatHarvest detected exposed credentials tied directly to a Summit Ridge employee for that same third-party system. This created a direct foothold opportunity for an attacker, long before any clients were impacted. Shortly after that, Summit Ridge's infrastructure appeared in Telegram-based illicit channels, indicating that access or victim data was now being actively discussed. And finally, a lookalike domain appeared, this one missing an M, designed to impersonate Summit Ridge Law. This typically appears late in a phishing operation, when attackers are preparing to target clients directly. ThreatHarvest continues tracking risks over time through discovery, so teams can see how threats evolve, expand, and repeat. What makes this so dangerous is how many chances there were to stop this before clients were ever targeted. ThreatHarvest exists to surface those opportunities so action can be taken.